Hey friends, this is Asif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. The price line of Stellar is once again bounced by the support of this up channel, and I have been showing you this channel in my so many previous videos, and we have observed that whenever the price line is moving at the support of this channel, it is getting bounced to the upside and forming the higher than the previous highs. And at the same time, the price line of Stellar has formed a bullish cipher move, the bullish reversal cipher move at the support of this up channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the complete buying and sell targets of this pattern as well that has been formed on the 2-day chart. And I'm also sharing the different harmonic trading ideas here at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. First of all, I want to show you this a live daily time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line has formed this up channel and moving very well between the resistance and the support of this channel. And we have some additional supports, like previously we had this 50 and 100 simple moving averages, additional supports, and here the price line broke down this 50 simple moving average, and now we had this 100 simple moving average additional support here, and the price line used this 100 simple moving average support and the support of this up channel as well, and now likely to have a bounce from this support. Now here we can also observe, I have also placed this moon phases indicator. This is the full moon and this is the dark moon, and we can see that the price line is following this moon phases indicator very well while moving between this channel. For example, previously we had this new full moon appeared at this level, and the price line followed this move of the full move, and you can see that we had a spike up to this level. Then we had the next full moon appeared at this level, and the price line followed this signal and even rallied beyond this level of the full moon, and the next full moon was appeared at this level, and the price line followed this signal of this previous new full moon, not this one, because this was the false signal, and the price line followed the previous new full moon. And now you can see that the recent new full moon has been appeared here, that is approximately here at 75 cents. So we can expect that the next rally can be at least up to this level, or maybe we will have a rally beyond this new full moon as well, because every time whenever the price line is getting bounced by this support of this channel, it is forming the higher than the previous highs as well. Now here I have also placed the stochastic oscillator as well, and you can see this time the stochastic has entered in the oversold zone. We have quite similar situation like we have on the Bitcoin chart as well. Like if I show you the Bitcoin chart, then here the stochastic is in oversold zone, and the RSI, even the RSI went very close to the oversold zone. And if we take a look at this Bitcoin move, then it is moving between the $60,000 to $50,000, and whenever the stochastic is getting oversold, and we received a bull cross by the stochastic. By the way, this is the same stochastic indicator, this one. This is the multi-time frame, the stochastic indicator, available free of cost at the TradingView. And there are a lot more other free indicators available there you can use for your trading. If you don't have an account on the TradingView, then you can use the link I've shared in the description. Now, you can see that whenever the stochastic is entered in the oversold, and the price line is moving very close to the $60,000. For example, here the price line even broke down the $50,000, sorry, not the 60, the $50,000 level, and the stochastic gave us the bull cross. The price action followed the signal of the stochastic and rallied very well up to this resistance of the $60,000. Here the price line repeated the same thing again, and now here the price line again going to repeat the same thing, like we have received the bull cross, and this is the buying signal that appears after when we receive the bull cross by the stochastic oscillator. Then it gives the buying signal, and the RSI went very close to this oversold. Therefore, this time the case is more strong, and there are more chances that the price line will again hit the $60,000. Maybe it will break out the $60,000 level, and we will see this stochastic to enter in the overbought like previously it has been visiting the overbought after giving this bull cross. And whenever the stochastic is giving the bull crosses, you can see at the same day we are receiving very strong bullish candlesticks at the same day, and same thing is happening right now as we have received this bullish candlestick, and we have also received the stochastic bull cross from the oversold zone. Now I want to show you this very important chart, and this is the formation of the bullish cipher, and we are also having very good support of the 50 simple moving average in the buying zone. And this is the 2-day chart, and 50 simple moving average on the 2-day chart is equal to the 100 simple moving average on the daily time frame chart. And as we have already seen that on the daily time frame chart, the price line is already getting bounced by this 100 simple moving average support. Now, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish cipher patterns, our sell targets can be from 51.28 cents to 61.87 cents, and the buying range starts from 46.86 cents and ends up to 41.26 cents. And you can see that after getting bounced by this 50 simple moving average support, and from this support of this up channel and the 100 simple moving average on the daily time frame chart, the price line is likely to move up from this buying zone. However, the basic purpose for showing you this cipher pattern is not to hit these sell targets. If you want to take it as a single trade, you can just set your sell targets here. However, I'm expecting that this cipher move will be helpful for the price line to start a big rally that will help the price line to set the higher than the previous high like it has been doing previously. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.